most cities, if you saw a naked man on a motorcycle, you'd call the cops. But in Janesville, we just call it a Tuesday and wave as he goes by. You're probably thinking, wait, what did she just say? And honestly, I don't blame you. If you look at the old maps, you probably think Janesville, Wisconsin is just a sleepy post-industrial town in the shadow of Madison. You assume it's just a place people drive through to get somewhere else. But the reality, it's a strategic life hack where we gamble on sinking trucks, celebrate a raccoon that's a superstar in Japan, and build a world-class lifestyle for a fraction of the cost of the big cities. Today, I'm exposing Janesville the brochures are scared to print. I'm Marisa Voelkel. I'm the managing broker for Keller Williams Realty Signature and a licensed general contractor. My team doesn't just sell houses. We help families navigate the weird and wonderful parts of southern Wisconsin real estate. I drop a new reality check every week, so hit that subscribe button before you get into the sinking truck math. The biggest myth about Janesville is that it's isolated. In reality, we are the strategic hub of the region. We are perfectly positioned between Madison and Rockford, making it the ultimate home base for commuters. I have so many clients who live here specifically to hack the system. They enjoy the lower cost of living and the space of Janesville while easily catching a flight or heading to the office into the larger cities. But here's the insider truth. You don't actually have to leave for entertainment. Janesville has quietly built everything culture. We have minor league sports with the Janesville Jets, a massive local winery and brewery scene, and every shopping convenience you could possibly need. It's the city that has everything you need, but enough hidden gems to give you everything you want. I know this sounds like a lot to juggle, balancing the cool factor with the actual budget, but that's why I want you to go to my stand store and grab the 10-minute raise worksheet. This is a tool I built to help you compare the true cost of living between Janesville and the surrounding high tax areas. Once you run the numbers and see the Janesville discount, an expert on my team will reach out and show you the neighborhoods that actually fit your lifestyle. Now, for the stuff that makes Janesville truly unique, every winter, the Kiwanis Club parks a Chevy Suburban or some type of truck on the frozen lagoon. The whole city places bets on exactly the second that ice thaws and the truck sinks. It's peak Wisconsin. But beyond the quirks, the lifestyle here is surprisingly sophisticated. We have a thriving performing arts scene between the Janesville Performing Arts Center and the Janesville Little Theater, which is actually the oldest in the state. If you want a big city night out without all the traffic, you've got comedy shows, dinner theaters, and there's some of the best wineries in the region. Don't forget to grab your brandy old-fashioned sweet. And you aren't a local until you've mastered the Saturday night ritual. Supper clubs. We're talking brandy old fashions, the relish tray, and the best Friday fish fry you've ever had in places like Frederick's. It's a culture of quality and tradition that you just can't find anywhere else. And one more hidden fact, bet you didn't know this, Janesville is the home of Rascal the Raccoon. The real life Rascal lived right here. And while Americans might have forgotten the book, it became a massive cult phenomenon in Japan. We have a museum dedicated to a raccoon that's basically a superstar overseas. Janesville is a live and let live culture. It's a place where you can be yourself, whether that means betting on a sinking truck or just enjoying a world-class theater. If you're ready to stop thinking about a move and start living this lifestyle, reach out. My team knows the streets, the legends, and the best schools. Grab the 10-minute raise in the description and watch this next video about southern Wisconsin living. I'll see you there.